Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Closed-toe athletic training shoes, running shoes, or water shoes are the best choice for most river rafting trips. Whitewater-specific shoes are nice, but not necessary for timberline trips. In cold temperatures or on high-intensity sections of whitewater, neoprene booties with rugged soles are often worn.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Well, the answer, for the safety of the non-swimmer and everyone else on the trip, is unfortunately no. Most river outfitters will not have folks on Class 4 or higher rivers or rapids that cannot swim. It is just not safe. Check out the American River Rafting Guide for more information on rafting and swimming.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
You do have a small chance of being injured on a rafting trip, about 1 to 558 and a 1 to 100,000 chance of being a fatality. This means that for the vast majority of people, rafting is simply a great fun adventure. Rafting not just about big white water.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.